Hi, I'm Paul Cole, Director of Business Development for X Microwave. X Microwave makes a modular approach to RF and microwave design for fast prototyping and a quicker path to a final production product. We have about 6,000 X Microwave blocks that feature components from major manufacturers and the application circuit, all designed on X Microwave blocks, often referred to as RF Legos. So you can put the blocks together on a prototype plate, connect them together with the solderless interconnect system, fully test your circuit, make any changes you need to make, get the performance you need, and then move quickly to a final production product. We can also do miniaturization, where we kind of combine things and make it much smaller. We can, in the final product, we can combine all the boards and make a single PCB into a final CMA connectorized product. So other products we make, 3U VPX card assemblies. The circuits can go from prototyping to any of these final products in a very short period of time. We also do sub-assemblies and full rack mounted systems designed specifically for the customer application. About 30% of what we do is prototyping, and about 70% is full production. So we'd love to learn more about any application you may have, and we'd be happy to help you build out your system. Thanks.